McLaren Racing Limited team based at the McLaren Technology Centre in Woking, Surrey, England. McLaren is best known as a Formula One constructor, the second oldest active team, and the second most successful Formula One team after Ferrari, having won 183 races, 12 Drivers' Championships and 8 Constructors' Championships. McLaren also has a history of competing in American open-wheel racing, as both an entrant and a chassis constructor, and has won the Canadian-American Challenge Cup, Can-Am, Sports Car Racing Championship. The team is a subsidiary of the McLaren Group, which owns a majority of the team. Founded in 1963 by New Zealander Bruce McLaren, the team won its first Grand Prix at the 1968 Belgian Grand Prix, but their greatest initial success was in Can-Am, which they dominated from 1967 to 1971. Further American triumph followed, with Indianapolis 500 wins in McLaren cars for Mark Donohue in 1972 and Johnny Rutherford in 1974 and 1976. After Bruce McLaren died in a testing accident in 1970, Teddy Meyer took over and led the team to their first Formula One Constructors' Championship in 1974, with Emerson Fittipaldi and James Hunt winning the Drivers' Championship in 1974 and 1976 respectively. 1974 also marked the start of a long-standing sponsorship by the Marlboro cigarette brand. In 1981, McLaren merged with Ron Dennis Project 4 Racing. Dennis took over as team principal, and shortly afterwards organized a buyout of the original McLaren shareholders to take full control of the team. This began the team's most successful era, with Porsche and Honda engines. Niki Lauda, Alain Prost, and Ayrton Senna won 7 Drivers' Championships between them, and the team took 6 Constructors' Championships. The combination of Prost and Senna was particularly dominant. Together they won all but one race in 1988, but later their rivalry soured and Prost left for Ferrari. Fellow English team Williams offered the most consistent challenge during this period, the two winning every constructors' title between 1984 and 1994. By the mid-1990s, Honda had withdrawn from Formula One, Senna had moved to Williams, and the team went 3 seasons without a win. With Mercedes-Benz engines, West sponsorship, and former Williams designer Adrian Newey, further championships came in 1998 and 1999 with driver Mika Hakkinen, and during the 2000s the team were consistent frontrunners, with driver Lewis Hamilton taking their latest title in 2008. Ron Dennis retired as McLaren team principal in 2009, handing over to longtime McLaren employee Martin Whitmarsh. At the end of 2013, after the team's worst season since 2004, Whitmarsh was ousted. McLaren announced in 2013 that they would be using Honda engines from 2015 onwards, replacing Mercedes-Benz. The team races McLaren Honda for the first time since 1992 at the 2015 Australian Grand Prix. In September 2016,